So I have an app here. Let's see how we can create an AVD or an Android virtual device and run this in the AVD. So click on this icon here, that is device manager, and click on this plus icon here, and now you will see these options. So these are the options of phones that you can create. So let's create the latest one that is available, that is Pixel 7 Pro. Now click next. You should see a list of system images, and if you are seeing this message as I am, just click on this reload button, and now you'll see a bunch of options. Now these are the Android versions that you can install on your device. So for me, I will install this R. So click on this and click on this download button next to it, and now your system image will be downloaded. Let's wait for the download to complete. So our image is now downloaded. Click on finish, and now as you can see, this is downloaded. So you can select this and this next button will appear. Click on next, and you can give this any name you want. Let's call it my Pixel 7 Pro, and then hit next, or not next, hit finish, and your device is now ready. Now you can click on this play button next to it, and this will be turned on. So click on this, and now as you can see, you'll see this message starting AVD. So let's wait till it's finished loading. Now you can close this device manager, and you'll see Pixel 7 Pro here. So now finally our AVD is running. Now you can just click on this button here and it will run on this device. If you have a bunch of devices connected, you can just click on this and choose the device from here. For now, inside this running devices here, I can only see my Pixel 7 Pro because this is the only one that I have running right now. And you can just click on this and this app will run on this AVD. So as you can see, now the device has successfully running, and we have installed our app on device, and you can now do whatever you want here. You can run your app and debug it, and let me know if you have any questions.